So in this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you a quick tip for Canva users: how to unlock a page or element in the Canva app. This can be super helpful if you find a part of your design that is locked and you're struggling to make edits. So first things first, open up your Canva app and go to the design with the locked page or element. You'll usually spot a small icon over anything that's locked down. This means the element or page is currently uneditable. No dragging, resizing, or moving around until it's unlocked. So to unlock it, tap directly on the element or page. A toolbar should pop up at the bottom of your screen. Now look for the option that says Unlock, and then tap on it. Once you've tapped the Unlock button, you're good to go. Now you can resize or edit to your heart's content. And that's all it takes to unlock a page or element in Canva.